we're doing strictly business versus the green cards. Let's go.
The green cards?
Right,
that's foul.
Hey,
How's that foul?
11? Yeah? 13. 13? He said this was way off.
No, it's ball. I know you ball. Shut up. That was good. I was a fucking NBA player. Ooh. Oh my God. Primo, don't miss. Oh my God. Primo got a shot. Oh, you gotta understand that. This nigga just made that look at shit on me.
On the back. 0-3.
Alright, nigga. I'm gonna be on your ass now. Fuck that. Woo! Ah, he injured me. Oh, shoot. Hey, no, get it. Get it. I'm chilling.
Check out my primo.
Oh, I tried to kick that shit. Oh, shit.
Ah, the rim!
Oh, no, my ball. La verga. That's okay, it's okay. I didn't put my heart on it. Alright. ISO? You want an ISO car? Oh. You good? Hey, you got shoe? Got shoe? Got shoe or no? Hey, he said, hey, shoe. What do you want? Alright. I said I could call the phone. Ah! I'm excited. That bullshit ass 3, bro. That ain't ever gonna happen again.
What is it, 3-0?
Yeah.
0-3?
0-3.
Oh, I thought you were going to that.
What the fuck? That's a foul. You stop fouling me, boy. Damn, man.
Nah, I'm good. Nice defense.
Ah, nah, no more.
I get the rebound.
Alright, yeah. I got him. Now you're good.
Get that. I didn't go. I'm not gonna lie.
He's tired.
I'm not gonna lie to you. The trio crew, did they come today?
Pick it up. Yeah. You gotta get base back right now.
Stay down.
My bad. They're giving you that shit.
Oh, you already pushed it?
Good rebound. Oh. Go. Oh! I still. Fucking foul, homie. Here. Shoot it. Hey. Not. Oh!
Oh, nice try.
He ain't him. He ain't LaMelo.
Take it out, David.
I got window. I'm happy.
Pass it.
Ah!
That's not
He didn't dribble yet.
Oh, you're my team.
You get out of my way! Ooh. Oh, ooh. Let's go. But I could have had an easy lay and my own teammate was in my way. Joey. I got it. What's the score? 5-1? It's all part of the plan. I'm getting tired. You're tired. We got a long way to fill after this. You're on that. Nice. Hey, no, rebound. Take it out. Red ball, no point. Don't let him shoot. I took it out as theirs. Ah, good. Win. Oh my God! Hi! My bad, three. This one was our moves. That's control. This one was our moves. Ooh. Three is athletic, fool. This PC has a better shot. He's better than me. Oh, my bad. No, I was like, come on. I gotta hit a three. I gotta get confident. Let's see it. Good cut. 2-5. I'm gonna hit a three right now. You gotta pass it first. You're good. I won. Nah. Get that. He didn't call it. It's out. I'll get this one. On you. I got rebound. Yeah. Damn, I got boxed. Oh, take him. That one. Hey, way. That's you. Woo! Good defense. Flash. Oh. Got it. Good. Nice. Get him. Oh, yes. Nice. Oh, my. Beautiful. Athletic play right there. Ah! Yeah! I should have hit that shit right there. Should have hit him. Get that. Should have hit the backboard. Come on, Josh. Got him. You got him. Okay, my bad. Are you? Oh, that's off. Oh, damn it. Come on, Josh, I'm out of bounds. Stay in the middle. He's got it. He was on me. Let me open. should have drank
What's up, little
water. I should have drank water, dog.
You should have. I know we didn't bring shit, huh?
Boy wins. It's a 9.
Nah, it's a good game right now.
Yeah, what's the score? You guys are winning.
3-5, no?
3-5. No, man, be careful. Check up.
Well, what? How about?
Oh, yeah, he's.
Go.
Four or five?
That's fucking Tyler Hero. Tyler Hero right here.
Double. Double.
Good stuff.
Hey, man.
Oh, he's done. He's done. Come on. He's good. He's able.
Oh.
5-5.
Either way, I was gonna hit that. Back to him.
Ah, that shit. I need water, bro. Why don't we bring shit?
Hey, it's 5-5.
Go ahead for a real tight game.
Oh, he lost it. I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, he had it.
That was the plan. I knew he was gonna lose it. That's why I didn't.
Tommy!
You gotta work on them handles, G.
No handles.
Good rebound. Good rebound, yeah.
Oh. Back. Shoot it, shoot it.
No! Good shit!
They made that shit. God damn it, bro.
Let's go.
He saved it too. That was athletic as fuck.
Yeah. Ooh, good shot.
Nah, I'm a sucker.
Ooh, I knew it. Good shit, man.
You good?
Yeah. Yo. Save it, Josh.
Ah.
Watch out, man.
Man, that hurt the hand.
Ooh. Ready?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
This one has no dribbling, homie. He's a Clay Thompson.
I'm gonna look at you. For your hooper, fool.
I fucking
I'm
got
happy to have you on the team.
I'm a lockdown defender.
Oh, dude, I need water. I got cut him out to the max.
I'm not a scorer. I'm a lockdown defender.
What's the score?
We're winning up by 1 point. We're winning by 1 point. Take him.
Stay right there.
Win.
I boxed.
You're boxing yourself out.
Which match?
Right here. Nice shot.
You gotta be
Bro,
shitting
that's
me.
what I'm telling you.
What the fuck? Now you gotta make it now.
Ah.
Here you go, make it now.
I ain't losing to these rookies.
You're right, Esther. You're right.
Oh!
Oh!
I did not do nothing.
Here, let me show you how it's done.
What the fuck? What is this fucking deep basketball?
Ah, let's hand this. Good shot. Get him. I knew it. Oh my god.
Get that rim.
David.
I got this.
Left.
Back. And then go in. Shoot one.
And he fell for it. Bang.
Come on, bro.
That's open shot. Lay up.
Oh. Ooh. Yes. Good shit.
What's the score? 7-8?
He's good, bro. I'm telling you. He doesn't have confidence in himself. I've been telling him. He checked. I've been telling him he's a baller. It's in the blood. No, don't worry, I don't lose.
Real. Run that shit.
Try to give us a little cushion.
I ain't losing right now. Josh, come through. Come here. He's blocking in.
Good shit. Good deep, baby.
On screen?
There you go. Oh, give me that shit. I tried to pass it to him. Hell yeah. I intercepted that shit. But now that was good defense.
He touched it.
Huh? You touched it?
Yeah, because he blocked the pass.
Oh, yeah. Let's go to the tire. Pass it back and I'll pass it to you. Go in. Go to the corner.
Right here? The other corner?
Teammate. Go on, fucking stop out. Right here. Back in.
Save it. Yeah, I saved those. Chile gana. Hey, he traveled.
Nah, he did.
Oh, either way, God knows who missed. Ooh, it's ours. 8 point? Yeah. What's the score? 7-8. 7-8, bro. You guys are up by 1.
Yeah. Don't worry, bro. We'll carry you to victory.
No. Ooh. Take it out there. You just gotta find the sweet spot, please.
Oh my God.
Good, you gotta get my hand right there. Quick. Ah. Hey, you made it. It was there. Oh, you could have taken it up. You need that 3. Hey, out of bounds.
Nah, it's in.
Right here, shoot it.
Oh, it's unlucky. That's right.
Come on, John. You keep getting chances. We're fucking up. Take that. Ah! I need to get something. I only get 2. Whoa! He was sleeping!
I suck. I went there. Good shit. Good shot. Good shit. Good shit. Dang.
Oh, he gave me 2.
He gave me assist, bro.
What the fuck was that? He made that shit.
Yo, baby.
Last 20 minutes. We still got time.
Last game.
No, we still got time. What's the score?
8-9. What? Not to 10. It's to 13. You just turned this on.
Really? Run it, Josh.
Yeah.
He hit a fucking 3 back to back. I hit a 3 back to back.
Alright, let's go.
I got your back, you know? You're slipping.
Not you. You
No, but I
nothing.
passed that ball.
You nothing.
That shit, bro. good shot. Hey, fool, they can't make one.
Switch.
Fucking Reggie Miller stepped through.
Dude, one more and they win.
Yeah, guard.
Step it up.
Come on, David.
Oh my god!
Hey, that's what happens.
That's my bad.
That's what happens when you get cocky.
9-12.
Now you guys.
Straight up or win by 2?
That's the thumbnail.
Win by 2?
I just straight up or win by 2.
How do you
Hey,
want?
straight up or win by 2.
Huh?
Straight up.
Straight up.
Hey,
The pressure now.
That's it back. We'll check. Jack, do it. I need a 3.
You have to.
Get that rebound. Oh, that's so unlucky. That shit went out. It's gonna be my fault. There's no way I missed that. Come on, David. You ready, baby?
Ready?
Yeah, jump. Ooh. Oh. Pass it back. Give me that.
Like you done?
Oh, pass it back.
Man,
Right.
I was trying to pass it bad.
Fuck, man. Disregarded. Stay on that. Oh, take that shit. Oh.
Travel.
It's not out.
You gotta back to back yourself. What do you mean? I'm trying to say that shit like this. No way. It's probably not mine.
What is it? 12-8? Yeah. 12-10.
Oh my. No, it's not 12-10. What the fuck?
12-8. Watch out, we reloaded.
2.
One man go.
11.
We're good.
Let's go. Straight up, one more.
He's Russell Westbrook.
Hell no. Finish this shit, bro.
Damn, that's a defensive.
Bro, I was actually playing right there.
I'm always going into your feet. Finished it. You fucking
Hey, don't let him get the ball. Don't let him shoot 3. That's all we need.
Let's go get it.
Damn it. I'm about to say, you just making
See that shit? That was all part of the plan.
What's up? What's up, George? Shoot it. Get that. Oh, that's a travel. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
He did take a back foot.
Nah. Second. Damn, bottom line. Alright, we gotta check it up.
Hey, we won the game.
No, we didn't. I wish. Hey, but bottom line.
That was a Lonzo Ball shot.
Back.
I'm gonna win this game.
No.
I wanted to win this game. I'm fucking trying.
I did!
Oh! Here! Two! Shoot!
Get that back. Shoot it.
Oh, I'm so tired now. It's like this.
That's all. Get that. Oh, that's all.
Good hustle. Ah!
Stay on him.
You lucky bastard.
Stay on him.
Ah, I hit the 3 to hit the game. Didn't count. What the fuck?
Stay on him. Pressed. Watch your screen, watch the screen. Oh!
So the scoreboard does not match the score that we were counting in game, and I don't know. I looked back. I went back 3 times. We clearly thought we lost, but here the scoreboard says something otherwise. Comment down below what score you guys got. Did Strictly Business win? Did Green Cards win? Who knows? But we did play game 2, and that will be up in a day or 2. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
That fool fucking got lucky.
Nah, it's all skill. It's in our blood.
That fool's a catch and shooter, bro.
It's in our blood.
He's a fucking sharpshooter
You
for
don't even
real.
play basketball like that. Hey,
That fool didn't even score.
you didn't score.
I scored 3 points. I scored a layup, a mid-range, and another layup. Then I got.
I need water.
I know. That's why I was looking at this one shit. Hey, you don't have waters in the car. What about you? You don't
We shouldn't have lost, but this is what David sold. How do you feel, David?
I mean, I hit a 3, bro, but they didn't count it, bro.
Sparkling water, but it's flavored.
How do you feel?
Tired as fuck, but good dope.
Is a new guy at work. We got him onto our lunchtime shit. Hey, MVP right here, not gonna lie to you.
This was for a hell of
MVP. Hey, y'all made the right move by having me and Primo on the different team. Oh, SW.